Holly Ramsay and Jack Ramsay. They both are the twin children of Gordon Ramsay. Let's find about them. Holly Ramsay. She is a TV personality, model, and Instagram star. Born in 1st of January 2000, she is 20 years of age now. She is an upcoming model with a great social profile. She is a huge pet lover and has dedicated a separate page for her pet dog. She is very close to her twin brother and often spends time with him and the rest of her family. She respects her father a lot. She often mentions him as a hero and mentor. Jack Ramsay. He is also a TV personality and Instagram star. He appeared in their family TV show, Matilda and the Ramsay Bunch. He is very close to his siblings and parents. He is an active participant of Ironman Triathlon. Jack is a person who likes to face challenges in life. He always looks at the things in positive attitude. He has his own unique way of living and does not take his father's popularity for granted.